Hi, are you curious how you start a divorce case in the state of Oklahoma? In this video, I'm going to walk you through what the process looks like to begin a divorce case. In Oklahoma, divorce cases are typically started by one of the parties contacting an attorney, identifying what outcomes you're seeking to obtain, and then you'll work with your family law attorney to draft what's called a petition for divorce. In that document, you'll lay out everything that matters in your case. What you want to happen with child custody if you have children, child support, visitation schedule, or what you think is best for the children and as far as where they will sleep at night. You also discuss issues of spousal support, whether you should receive it or whether the other side should be obligated to pay it or whether the other side should receive spousal support. It'll speak to potential division of property, how you think the case or your family's property should be divided. Additionally, the divorce petition will speak to other issues about jurisdiction, timing of the case, who the relevant parties are, and really lay out all the facts that matter in evaluating your divorce case. The petition is a tool not only for the court to look at to evaluate what the party's situation looks like, but also what it is you're seeking to do as the petitioner, as the person filing the divorce. What outcome are you wanting to receive? Once that divorce petition is filed, you'll also have to pay a filing fee, which is dictated by the county where your case is set. There are other initial documents such as a summons you may file, which is served on the other party and notifying them they're ordered to file an answer or respond with a set period of time. Your attorney may file an entry of appearance, notifying the other party, or if they hire an attorney, that other party's attorney, of who your lawyer is and who to contact with questions or who to address issues in your family case to. Additionally, in some instances, some of our clients will file what's called an application for temporary orders. And that document is just what it sounds like, an application. You're asking the court for temporary orders or things that will happen during the course of your case. In that document, you'll tell the court what you want to happen as far as the marital home during the divorce, what you want to happen as far as who has access to what property or what bank accounts, or how the credit cards will be handled during the pendency of your divorce. And if you have minor children, most importantly, what the custody and visitation schedule will look like during that time. Child support can also be established at this early phase, and in many cases, the court may evaluate and determine whether temporary support or support during the divorce case is warranted, and which party should pay and which party should receive that support during the case. Those documents, along with the automatic temporary injunctive notice, or what things automatically by law go into effect, are typically the documents filed to initiate a divorce case. So again, there is the petition for divorce itself, laying out everything that you're hoping to see happen or the outcomes you're looking for in your divorce. There is the application for temporary orders, where you and your attorney are telling the court what you want to happen during the pendency or temporarily during the case. There is the automatic temporary injunctive notice, where you're notifying the other party through counsel with a filed document what they can and can't do under the relevant family law statutes while the case is pending. Things about obtaining new debt, selling property, encumbering property with new debts, things of that nature that impact your finances or your property interest. You also file the entry of appearance by your attorney, which notifies the other party, or if they hire counsel, their counsel, who your attorney is, where their office is located, a good email address, a good phone number, and also notifies the court who your lawyer is, who's representing you. All of these documents, along with the filing fee, start the process on your divorce case. We hope this video has been helpful to answer your questions about how do you start the divorce process in Oklahoma. Whether you have questions about starting a divorce or divorce in general in the state of Oklahoma, we welcome you to reach out to us any day of the week, 24 hours a day, for a free confidential meeting to discuss your questions and make sure you understand the process and the road ahead in your divorce case.